They call police on me, but okay. Relax. I'm trying to make sure my girl's car is here. That's relax.
Good.
Relax, guys. I didn't touch nobody. Hey,
exactly.
You see a car here? You see a car? I left a car here. I put my girl's car.
No, I'm paying for it.
No, I'm not saying that.
But you use the X1D too, so.
Yeah. I mean, if
you got ID with you, partner?
Yeah, I got ID with me. It's probably somewhere around here, but.
I need to see it.
Bro, you can see it whenever. I don't care, bro. Relax. I want to get arrested.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm showing you my ID.
Pullman Police Department. I don't
care, bro. You guys.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm trying to. You said show me ID.
Put your hands behind. I don't care about your ID right now. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, for what? My ID.
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what? Bro, I know it's a cop.
Put your hands behind your fucking back. Put your hands behind your back. Get on the fucking ground, dude. You're under arrest.
Get down.
For what? For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Get down, what?
For what?
Because. Put your hands on your fucking back.
Get your arm out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Do it now. You're gonna get it again. Put your hands.
You're under arrest for using a fake 20. Obstruction.
Bend your leg.
Now you're under arrest for resisting arrest. You need to resist anything? Come on, man.
Tell him taser deployed. You're covered.
Hey, back up. I just want to make sure. Hey, I just want to make sure. I'm not touching anything.
Fuck.
Hey, man, if you start any more shit, you're going to get it again, okay? I ain't starting shit. Don't worry about it. I had a fake police in there. So you'll start me, okay? I know ACP guys.
You alright? I don't know what. Here, it's hitting. Pullman 464. One under arrest. Name California.
Let's get him out of here. You want somebody else?
Where's that one? Huh?
Somebody else? They call police on me, but
Okay.
relax. I'm trying to make sure my girl's car is here. That's relax.
Good.
Relax, guys. I didn't touch nobody. Hey,
exactly.
You see a car here? You see a car? I left a car here. I put my girl's car.
No, I'm paying for it.
No, I'm not saying that.
But you use the X1D too, so.
Yeah. I mean,
You got ID with you, partner?
Yeah, I got ID with me. It's probably somewhere around here, but.
I need to see it.
Bro, you can see it whenever. I don't care, bro. Relax. I want to get arrested.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm showing you my ID.
Pullman Police Department. I
don't care, bro. You guys.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm trying to. You said show me ID.
Put your hands behind. I don't care about your ID right now. Put your hands behind your back.
For what? My ID.
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what? Bro, I know it's a cop.
Put your hands behind your fucking back. Put your hands behind your back. Get on the fucking ground, dude. You're under arrest.
Get down.
For what? For what?
Get
Put your hands behind your back.
Get down, what?
For what?
Because. Put your hands on your fucking back.
Get your arm out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Do it now. You're gonna get it again. Put your hands.
You're under arrest for using a fake 20. Obstruction.
Bend your leg.
Why? resist anything? Come on, man.
Tell him taser deployed. Tell him taser deployed. You're covered. Take him.
Not right now. Hey, back up. Back up. I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure. I'm not touching anything.
Fuck.
Hey, man, if you start any more shit, you're going to get it again, okay? I ain't starting shit. Don't worry about it. I had a fake before. So you gonna start me, okay? I know ACT guy. I know ACT.
You alright?
I had a fake 20.
I don't know what. Here, it's hitting. Pullman 464. One under arrest. Name California.
Let's get him out of here. You want somebody else?
Where's that 20? Huh?
Somebody else to investigate this?
No. Where's the 20? Where's the 20?
I don't know. He just like tried to like he tried to buy it and then just like it's a fake 20. Yeah.
How did you tell it was a 20?
What?
How did you tell it's fake?
The color of the actual face. Yeah. The size wasn't even the same.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I invested. Let's go.
Okay, hey.
I'll be back to talk to you guys.
Listen, I never hit anybody. I never did your rules. I don't care. Don't tell me what I'm doing. I don't hurt anybody.
Hey, we're gonna walk out to the car.
Whatever, I don't want to hear
If you
anything.
resist again,
I don't want to hear
I
anything.
will tase you again.
I don't want to hear anything.
Do you understand?
Bye.
Do you understand?
Bye.
All right.
I never. I said why. So you got.
What else did he try to purchase? Just this stuff?
Oh, he already walked out and then like that's got like five with like
I'm
this
black
guy.
and I'm a I'm black and I'm a
I'll talk to you guys in just a
bro,
second.
like, they can even drink on.
And then he
I'm gonna stay in here and talk to. I'm gonna stay in here and talk to people. Yeah.
Hey, can I get me out here, please?
Yep, we're getting you out of here.
that fucking week, bro. Y'all that tripping, bro. We ain't got no handcuffs, bro. Y'all jumping on the man back. So what's the deal?
So
Tase, man.
they told me to try to use a fake 20 in there. All right. So I needed to detain him. Said I need to see your ID. Said I'm not giving you shit. I'm not working with you. So at that point, I went to put him in handcuffs because usually when I'm dealing with somebody like that, I'm not even gonna mess with it, right? Then he starts pulling away and trying to run. So we're trying to get him on the ground, and he was fighting. He's strong as shit, man. I'm not strong as Treshon, right? So that's why that went the way it did. I had enough reason to detain him, and he was completely fine. I'm still investigating it. Right now, he's just under arrest for obstruction. Okay. He'll have his say in court to prove his side, and we'll just give our report to you. Okay. I promise you, I don't want shit going down like this.
Like, why the hell y'all got the cuffs on? Like, he already got on cuffs.
I put the cuffs on, and I can fit my finger in between them. They weren't. They're not as tight as I could put them. I promise you that.
Why y'all threw the man on the ground like that? Why I say y'all threw the man on the ground? Y'all
Because he's fighting.
He tell y'all in the cuffs too tight. Y'all ain't want to.
I don't know what happened out there. I'm telling you what happened. No.
On the ground, they jumping on his back.
All right, I don't know about that. I didn't see that part. All I did was put him in cuffs when he was in here inside Bob's because he was fighting with me. All right, and I understand sometimes people are like, no, fuck this. The cop doesn't have the reason to put me in cuffs. So when a cop tells you you got to do something, you got to do it, right? Because you'll have your stay in court, I promise. But right then, it's not the time to be fighting it. All right?
But they ended up beating that man's ass.
So I don't see any reason why he is going to have to go to county or anything like that. He's just going to go down to Pullman PD for up to 6 hours, and then I'll release him. All right? That's the address for the PD. Okay? And you can call down there and find out what's going on later. I'd give it a few hours at least. All right? All right, fellas.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.